Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Moshmi RM. Today I make baseball earring. So here I take red color woolen and baseball and B7000 gum, and I apply here the glue to join the red color woolen, and I totally apply it. And I take a jump ring to attach here. And I take silver chain and I apply here the chain. So I cut it to join here, and then I take oxidized ball and one head pin, and I insert it into the head pin, and then I insert it into the baseball, and then I make a hole to join the oxidized pendant. I apply here the glue to join it. And now my earring is ready. So if you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube